This is Matt with Matt's BBQ Pits, and today I want to show you the Winch powered gate system that we put between the cabinet and the main cooking chamber on our pits with the vertical cabinet. Now we put the gate in there so that in a small cook you don't have to use so much wood. And you can open the reverse flow stack and run it as a reverse flow. And we can lower the gate and raise the gate. So you can actually adjust how much air and smoke that you let into this cabinet. That's a great benefit if you got a vertical cabinet on your smoker. Especially if you've had experience with one, you'd know that having a vertical cabinet will take more wood to run it. But if you close it off, then you can just use it as a warmer, or if you close it all the way, you can just bypass it. Save you quite a bit of money and time on wood. We're now putting those on the hog pit model of the 2019 newest version. It's got the stack handle levers on it, the spring on the air intake so that doesn't seize up. We got it on the Boss Hog model here too, on the 2040 versions. We got the drain tubes with the ball valves on them. The cool touch handles. We added the counterweight on the hog pit. Now if you're interested in saving some money on your smoker from not having to use so much wood, and you want more control of the air temperature and how your smoker runs, come shop at Matt's BBQ Pits.